Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, like seriously, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and beside the subscribe button you hit your notification bell, so with that you'll be notified. You'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, with Tony Odi Goody, what's up? So I'm trying to be filming 3 times in a week. I hope, I'm not promising, but I hope I'm going to make it up to you guys. But if not 2 times in a week, okay. With that being said, moving forward, as you can tell by the name, you know this video already. So then I'm going to be coming up to you with my top 5 blushes, right? The blushes I've been loving, I've been using for over a couple of months now. I can't really say they are August favorites. I've been using these blushes forever now, but these are my top 5 blushes, like seriously. Anyway guys, if you're interested, you want to see the blushes I got for women of color, favorite blushes for summer, you know what to do. Grab a cup of juice, prosecco, champagne, you know what to do. Let's keep rolling. So the first blush I'm going to be showing you guys is this blush by MAC, which is called Gleeful Mineralized Blush. Oh my word, this blush right here is everything. I love using this blush when I want to really look put together. I want to look expensive. I want to, I just want to look put together like I'm looking right now. I'm loving my look. I'm loving my hair. I'm loving the Vavavu coils I apply on my hair, and with this blush and with my lip combo, you can't tell me nothing. Nothing gonna stop me now. This is my number 1 from all the 5 blushes I'm going to be showing you. I love this blush a lot, like seriously, I love it a lot, and I've been using it this summer a lot. Okay, I got it not now, last year I got it, but it took me a while to discover this is my favorite blush for summer. Okay, what I'm going to be showing you is also by MAC. This one is called Breezy. Yeah, this one is called Breezy. It's a very classic and put together blush. A little bit same shade with this one right here. The same shade, just similar, but this one kind of have a bit of shimmer tone on it, if that makes sense what I'm saying. I really love this blush a lot. I do love to apply this blush when I don't really have a lot on my eye area going on. It's a very classic, very beautiful blush. To be showing you guys is from B Creative Makeup, which is called Flirty. This one right here. The reason why I love this blush, when you just apply it to your skin, is go into your skin and settle there and relax. It makes you look, I don't know how to say it, like a skin, and the pigment is super amazing. It's not too wow, you know what I'm trying to say. There are some kind of blush when you apply to your cheek, is the pigment is just, and there is no fallout as well. The name of this one is Flirty. Amazing blush as well, and super affordable. Blush I'm going to be showing you is from Milani Cosmetics, which is this one here called Fantastico number 7. This is a very beautiful blush, like seriously. If you're a woman of color, please don't sleep on this blush. I love this blush a lot. The reason why I love this blush, there's a kind of eye look I do, which I apply, and then I apply this blush on my cheeks. I look put together. I look as if I just woke up, I woke up like this. My face was busy when I was sleeping, what I'm trying to say. And it's super subtle. You go into your skin and do the job you want it to do. I love this blush a lot. And the last but not the least, this blush is not the blush that I can say I use every day, because it's a bit expensive, which is from Lancome blush, and the name of this one is called Rose Indian. It's a very beautiful blush. Like, I love this blush a lot. This blush, you can use it forever, because when you apply a bit on your on your cheeks, you're good to go. One tap, you're good to go with this blush. I love this blush a lot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for all the blushes I want to show you. I just want to share with you guys my top 5 favorite blush for summer. You guys like it? And yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment what you think. Okay, but from all, Gleeful Mineralized Blush by MAC is my favorite from all. This is what I'm wearing today. It's just so beautiful. It makes me look like a, you know, one in a million. Guys, that's pretty much it for my top 5 favorite blush for summer. And yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think. What was your favorite? Okay, if you have something similar like this or exactly blush, please let me know in the comment below. I'll be glad to read all your sweet and lovely wonderful comments. And as always, you know what to do. No long talking. Don't forget to do you. Okay, don't forget to blush your cheeks and stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Take care, love, ciao.
Show me what's up with me.